Hi friends, this is Salem Suri Prakash. Now I am reached Mysore. Here this is the Hare Residency, very close to the Mysore Palace. Tonight we are staying here. We reach the second floor on the left. There are six rooms here. My friends already come to the room and opened it. The room is clean and well maintained. Here there is a cupboard, here there is a glass. Okay, then come to, there is a clean inside the room. Come to this room and charges for 800 rupees. That's not a matter. Okay friends, thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel Salem Suri Prakash. Thank you.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all.
Room 800 rupees. Per day, 24 hours. This is my other plan. Per person available per room? Per person single room is available? Oh, one day. Per bed how much for? 1,500. 1,500.
AC 1200, AC double bed.
1,200. Double bed. This one. Nearest. Zoo, how much kilometers?
1 kilometer.
Zoo, 1 kilometer.
Palace 500 meters.
500 meters.
Church 12 kilometers.
Very nearest thing.
Central place.
This large name, sir?
Hare Ram Residence.
Hare Ram. Residency.